Operation Finch was a proactive investigation by Tarian which focused on the activities of several organised crime groups in the Newport area, supplying high purity cocaine to the communities of South Wales, and headed by serving prisoner Jerome Nooms, who used a mobile phone to control his team of suppliers, organising the importation of vast quantities of Class A drugs from the northwest into the South Wales area. Once the cocaine had arrived in South Wales, Jerome Nooms' team, headed by Preston Caloran, broke it down into small deals and converted some of it into crack cocaine. Observations conducted at Yew Tree Farm in Newport identified a caravan that the team were using to process their drugs, and a warrant was executed which revealed traces of numerous drugs from cocaine to heroin. Two men working alongside Caloran were responsible for the distribution of the drugs. Thomas Allison and Blaine Nooms operated the group's drug line 24/7. After gathering evidence over a period of 12 months, an arrest phase enforcement action then took place in April last year, leading to the arrest of 17 people who were later charged with drug supply offences. This group has made millions of pounds through their illegal drug supply business, bringing misery to the communities of South Wales. Tarian, working alongside our colleagues in Gwent and South Wales, has managed to rid the communities of Newport of a scourge that has blighted their lives for many years.